Okay, so let's say you have two vacuums and you have pets, right? Or you have long hair. And you just really don't want to mess around with cutting away at all this little hairs, right? There's something you can try with the other vacuum, okay? Now, there's a chance that the other vacuum may have hairs too, right? But let's give this a try, okay? For those of you who have a vacuum and you really have to clean the brush real fast, let's give it a try. So what you do, turn the other vacuum on and tilt it to the back. Let's give it a shot. We're going to use these here. Off the brush. Take a look at that. I would say it's at least 90% better, right? Okay, so give it a try if you like. All right.